Hey guys, and welcome to this brand new video. Today we're gonna talk about ClickFunnels versus Zipify and which one you should choose. So, first of all, as a business with an online presence, it's important to deliver quality service. Websites have been the core of online marketing for a long while, and usually visitors browse through your website to find your offer and to buy at the end. But you can record a higher return on investment when you guide what your client will access. So if you give them only that what you are offering, your return on investment will be much higher. And that's the point where sales funnels come in. So first of all, what is a sales funnel? And at the end, a sales funnel is a combination of steps that guide you and narrow down prospect to customers. I quickly want to show you a picture on how it works. So everybody who comes into your funnel will start as a prospect, as you can see. And then you funnel them down to contacts, to leads, and finally to clients. So you want that everybody who comes in, so for example you have 100 persons up here, then you only have 70 down here, then you have only 50 emails of those 100 visitors, and from them only 10% buy, so you have so you are left over with only 10% of buyers. That is the concept of a sales funnel. So usually on a normal website you also have a funnel. For example, you start with a visitor, add to cart, initiate checkout, and so on. The problem with normal stores is there are a lot of other things they can click on, so you're probably gonna lose the attention of your visitor. So usually you have an online sales funnel consists of web pages. So every step in here will represent a new page. And usually you start with, as I said, with a visitor or prospect. Then you're gonna get you offer a deal which will prompt a customer to register with their email address, and then you pitch a deal to them using the email address. And usually you use a concept called value ladder, known from the book .com Secrets. I only can recommend this book because first it's free, and it shows how sales funnels work and how you can implement them into your business. There will be a link down below where you can get your free copy of .com Secrets. And in this book, they talk about how you start with a free offer and climb up the value ladder, offering more expensive items or services, so you get the most out of your customers and you increase the lifetime value. So now we talk about ClickFunnels. What is actually ClickFunnels? And as you can see, it's an online software which is proven to be the best sales funnel builder. They offer a lot of templates, and as you can see, I go deeper into that in a second. So usually how ClickFunnels work, you have 4 different groups. You have sales funnels, lead funnels, membership funnels, and event funnels. And there are 22 professional templates you can select. So for example, if you want to sell your product, you say sell product and then sales funnels, product launch, or membership, as you can see. Now we choose sales funnel. We call it test. And now you're gonna see all the templates you can choose. There are free templates and paid templates. So here you can see the funnel, the squeeze page or the opt-in page, and on the right side you can see all the templates. We also can preview them, so you have an idea on. And now you can choose those templates and can edit them later on. So you can change all those things and customize it so it fits into your business. And overall, it's an drag and drop visual editor. So if I select this template, you can see that you can import headlines, email forms, pictures, videos. So you click here on edit page. And you can insert buttons, video, widgets, images, headlines, and so on. There's so much you can edit. So for example, if you want to change the headline, you can tap or go on settings, and you can change all the settings. You can insert a new element, and here you see headlines, headlines, videos, buttons, SMS sign up, countdown, day timer, icons, a progress bar, image list, pricing table. There's so much you can insert in here. And yeah, it's so great. You can also insert surveys or the progress bar down here. As well, you can share funnels. So if you buy funnels for clients, you can edit them here, and then you come to settings. Down here, and there you see share this funnel. You can click on this URL and then you can share this funnel. And the person you send this link to can click on the link and import the funnel into the funnels tab. Also, there are much other features. For example, shopping carts, webinars, payment options, or a great affiliate program. But now the question, how much does ClickFunnels cost? So the standard plan costs $97 per month. The premium package costs $297. And if you import a shared funnel, you only pay 19 bucks. So yeah. Now to Zipify. Zipify is also a page builder, but you have to insert it into Shopify. And it's an app you download in the Shopify App Store. It also can create landing pages, and you can create a professional design for your online store. Also drag and drop. So how does Zipify work? So you have Zipify one-click upsell. It displays relevant products to customers who are willing to buy. And the upsell launch offers to customers after they have made a purchase. And you also have Zipify pages, which lets you create and publishing custom pages for your store. But you need to own a Shopify store. So the main features of Zipify are that you access templates and you can choose one. You can replicate sales funnels. You can integrate with Facebook Pixel and Google Analytics. By the way, you also can do all of this with ClickFunnels. You can customize pages. You can insert videos, one-click pop-ups and countdown timers. And you have A/B split testing. So how much does Zipify cost? So the basic plan costs $67 and the plus monthly plan costs $97. And ClickFunnels and Zipify are platforms that deliver quality in what they offer, but which one you choose is influenced by the factors such as your needs and your budget. You may find ClickFunnels more costly of the two, but it has more to offer. So I personally prefer ClickFunnels. And also Zipify is more of a Shopify integration and it can't be used without Shopify. You can also choose to integrate multiple online stores with ClickFunnels, such as Shopify. So you can use Shopify also with ClickFunnels. But both platforms offer targeted advertising, one-click upsell, analytics, A/B testing, and page templates for your funnels. But however, ClickFunnels has more to offer, so I personally recommend using ClickFunnels. If you are interested in ClickFunnels or in Zipify, in the description down below, we'll find the links for ClickFunnels and Zipify, and I'll also share a funnel with you. You can easily import to your ClickFunnels account. And if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And we see us in the next video.